How Microsoft Research is advancing the state of art in AI. For 30 years, Microsoft Research has been at the forefront of advancing the foundations of computing and translating new scientific understanding into innovative technologies to create value for Microsoft customers and broad benefit to society. MSR has been a pioneer, delivering cutting-edge AI breakthroughs in vision, speech, language, decision-making, and machine learning, including conversational speech recognition, machine translation, image captioning, and common sense question answering, and then translate these breakthroughs into products to help Microsoft customers. More recent efforts have focused on developing large-scale models that can process information in increasingly sophisticated ways, while also becoming more natural and intuitive to use. Advances in deep learning, coupled with internet-scale datasets and Microsoft Azure's increasingly powerful AI supercomputing resources, have made it possible to create AI models that perform a broad range of tasks across many different applications. Microsoft researchers have been working on these problems for years, developing expertise in areas like parallel computation that allows people to more quickly train machine learning models at unprecedented scale. Now, let's take a look at the products that have come out from the research in Microsoft. Microsoft researchers in 2018 were the first to reach a significant milestone in translation, translating news articles from Chinese to English on a commonly used test set. As soon as the team achieved that historic research milestone, they began adapting the model to work in Microsoft Translator, an Azure cognitive service that translates a wide variety of texts ranging from historical research documents to travel websites and production manuals. In June 2019, Microsoft researchers were the first to develop a machine learning model that surpassed previous benchmarks on the General Language Understanding Evaluation, or GLUE benchmark, which measures mastery of 9 different language understanding tasks, ranging from sentiment analysis to text similarity and question answering. Bing's experts incorporated core principles from that research into their own machine learning model, which helped to improve answers and caption generation. In 2020, Microsoft researchers built an AI system that can generate accurate image captions. The new model was made available to customers via the Azure Cognitive Services Computer Vision offering, part of Azure AI, enabling developers to use this capability to improve accessibility in their own services. It was also incorporated into Seeing AI and rolled out to Microsoft Word and Outlook for Windows and Mac, and PowerPoint for Windows, Mac, and web. In 2022, Microsoft researchers developed a new class of AI models called Z-Code, boosting even more accuracy in Translator and Azure Cognitive Service. Microsoft's Z-Code models consistently improve translation quality over current production models, according to common industry metrics. That's quite an achievement by the research team over a short span of time. Microsoft has also been working on large AI models. During this period, large AI models, researchers at Microsoft and elsewhere are making progress on developing large AI systems that can process information in more sophisticated ways. The recent explosion of training data, coupled with large amounts of fast computers facilitated by the cloud, has enabled new applications of neural network architectures that have allowed them to train large AI models that can accomplish a wide variety of tasks at an unprecedented scale. They have used their supercomputer infrastructure to train state-of-the-art AI models, including Turing for rich language understanding, Z-Code and Z-Code++ for translation and summarization across hundreds of languages, and Florence for visual recognition. OpenAI also used Microsoft infrastructure to train GPT, DALL-E, and Codex. However, these models are only valuable if they are accessible and cost-effective for others to use and build on top of them. So, they are working to make AI technology more efficient in both training and application. They have made advances with Deep Speed for training efficiency and Onyx Runtime, which gives high-performance inference support for large transformer-based models, helping to optimize cost and latency. It's the goal to responsibly advance cutting-edge AI research and democratize these AI models as a new technology platform. Microsoft is already using these models in a broad range of scenarios across our services like Bing, Office, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, GitHub, and LinkedIn. Now, they are making these transformational capabilities built on cutting-edge advancements in AI, available for organizations to build upon and customize through Azure AI. With advancement of AI research in Microsoft, they have come up with PHI-1. Now, let's try to understand what PHI-1 is. AI researchers from Microsoft have published a new code generation model, PHI-1, that's designed to be lightweight, and it outperforms GPT 3.5, the large language model behind ChatGPT. The transformer-based model boasts just 1.3 billion parameters. In comparison, Codex, the OpenAI model that formed the basis of what would become GitHub Copilot, had 12 billion parameters. It took Microsoft's researchers just 4 days to train PHI-1 using 8 A100 chips from NVIDIA. The model was trained on 6 billion tokens from the web, as well as a further 1 billion tokens generated using GPT 3.5, one of the underlying models used to build OpenAI's ChatGPT. In performance, PHI-1 scored a pass-at-1 accuracy of 50.6% on the human eval benchmark. The Microsoft model beat StarCoder from Hugging Face and ServiceNow, OpenAI's GPT 3.5, and Google's Palm 2S, despite being substantially smaller in size. On the MBPP pass-at-1 test, PHI-1 fared better, achieving a 55.5% score. A lot of the aforementioned models have yet to publish results on this benchmark, but WizardLM's Wizard Coder scored 51.5% in a test conducted earlier this month. Wizard Coder is a 15 billion parameter model versus 1.3 billion for PHI-1. High-quality data makes the difference. Microsoft's researchers argue that it's the power of high-quality data why PHI-1 performs so well. To bring the point home, the researchers named their model's paper, "Textbooks are all you need." Just as a comprehensive, well-crafted textbook can provide a student with the necessary knowledge to master a new subject, our work demonstrates the remarkable impact of high-quality data in honing a language model's proficiency in code generation tasks. By crafting textbook-quality data, we were able to train a model that surpasses almost all open-source models on coding benchmarks, such as Human Eval and MBPP, despite being 10 times smaller in model size and 100 times smaller in data size set. PHI-1 is limited to Python coding compared to other coding models available. They said the model is also limited in that it lacks the domain-specific knowledge of larger models, such as programming with specific APIs. To expand on their work, Microsoft's researchers have suggested using GPT-4 rather than GPT 3.5 to generate synthetic data for the model's training. The researchers would also look to improve diversity and non-repetitiveness in its dataset, although the team said they would have to find ways to inject randomness and creativity into the data generation process, while still maintaining the quality and the coherence of the examples. What is 0++? Microsoft's researchers also announced this week 0++, a new method designed to improve large model pre-training and fine-tuning. Large AI models like ChatGPT and GPT-4 require vast memory and computing resources to train and fine-tune. Sometimes, when training on a large number of GPUs relative to the batch size, it results in a smaller per GPU batch size, requiring frequent communication. To address this, Microsoft introduced 0++, a system that leverages quantization, the process of mapping continuous infinite values to a smaller set of discrete finite values, combined with data and communication remapping to reduce total communication volume by 4 times compared with 0, without impacting model quality. Effectively, 0++ is designed to improve communication between the model you're trying to train and the GPUs if the hardware you're using is too small relative to the model size. According to Microsoft's researchers, 0++ enables low bandwidth clusters to achieve similar throughput as those with 4 times higher bandwidth. The team behind the system claims it offers up to 2.2 times higher throughput compared to 0, Microsoft's earlier training optimization system. 0++ is available for anyone in the AI community and can be accessed via GitHub. The researchers announced that a version for chat will be released in the coming weeks. Microsoft's approach to the development of AI. They are optimistic about AI's potential to foster innovation, create economic progress, tasks and accelerate productivity, satisfaction, and growth. Microsoft has been working for years to advance the field of AI and also publicly guide how these technologies are created and used on our platforms in responsible and ethical ways. They consider this their goal to democratize breakthroughs in AI, including large language models, in a responsible way to help people and organizations be more productive and go on to solve the most pressing problems our society faces today. Last year, they shared an update on Microsoft's Responsible AI Standard, a framework to guide how they build AI systems. Future of AI in Microsoft. They believe that AI is going to be the ultimate amplifier. It will augment the work that people do by freeing up time for more creativity, imagination, and human ingenuity, leading to not only an increase in productivity but satisfaction. They are just scratching the surface on the power of these large language models. Building on the success of GitHub Copilot, they envision a world where everyone, no matter their profession, can have a copilot for everything they do. Microsoft is focused on responsibly creating AI that enables people to achieve greater productivity, growth, and satisfaction in the work they do. When people are freed from repetitive or tedious tasks, they can tap into their human ingenuity to focus on more strategic or creative tasks. As AI systems evolve, the company expects the nature of some jobs will change and that new jobs will be created. These shifts are similar to the changes everyone sees with other major technological advances, such as the invention of the printing press, telephone, or the internet. That's interesting. While we can't say with certainty how the job market will be impacted by AI, we are committed to help people in understanding AI and its impact on society. I hope you all like this video. Well, do let us know your views on PHI-1. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification to stay updated. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and see you all.